Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and I'm here to do the drawing for the month of May subscriber giveaway. I have all of my names in there. I don't know if you can see them all, and I'm going to cover them up. I got some coasters here too. I'm going to show you when we're done. And just a quick video. These are all the lockets. You get, whoever wins, get their choice of one of these. Ready? We're going to do it now. So, as you see, they're all in here. And I'm mixing them up. Alright, let's see. What do we got? Now let's move this out of the way. We got our names listed here. What do we have? Number 3. Alright, so there were 28, and number 3 is Mylene Ausdyer. I can never pronounce her last name, but Mylene, I'm so happy for you. Number 3. There you go. Number 3, if you can see that. And the list of names as well. And I don't know if she typed in there what she liked, number 3. I'm going to throw it back in there. But she does get a choice of any one of these colors. And since it's Mylene, you know what? I need her to let me know. I need her address, so she just puts in the links below, or gives me an email to me. I've got it listed below the video. So just make sure you give me your address and tell me which one you like, and whether you like the craft or the paint. The paint palette or the crafting heart. Okay? Congratulations, Mylene. Yay. I'm very happy. I would have been happy no matter who won it, but Mylene, she's such a sweetheart. I'm so glad she got it. Alright. I'm sure a lot of people will be happy for her. Let me just show you a quick, here's my blank cards here. Let me show you a quick little review. These are some of my coasters that I've done. Very pretty, I like them. Nice and sparkly. You can tell there's a couple spots there that has silicone on it. I'm going to have to fix up. There you go. And then we've got, I'll just see if we can hold them right here and you can see them. These pretty ones here. I'm going to sand them down because I got glitter in there. And these are only got one coat, so they're going to get another coat on all of them. And then I've got these adorable little butterflied ones with the purple and yellow and some sparkles, glitter. And the little seahorse and starfish. Okay? I just wanted to share some of my coasters I've been working on, and congratulations again, Mylene. Good luck to everybody next month. Stay tuned for next month. And for future videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great night. God bless, be safe, and be happy. See you soon. Bye-bye.